Thank you very much for your kind
Yes.
feedback.
Yes, please.
People are looking so energetic. Santosh, don't worry, you're looking fine. You're really looking so handsome. Anybody looking at you will be impressed. How did you feel? Did any of you enjoy session so far?
Sir, amazing session, sir. Amazing. Thank you.
It was really relaxing.
Thank
You
you
feel
very
so
much.
light after the, yeah.
Fantastic
Very.
session, Mr. Srinivas. I must share with you, before
Yes,
the
sir.
session started, I had developed fever. I was running 101.6, but I decided that I must attend the session. And I got the strength and the energy to be able to go through the session. So thank you very much.
You're most welcome. Your decision gives your the body energy. See, as I told in the beginning, as long as we are holding on to that belief of not letting go of the disease, only till then we are holding on to those incurable diseases. Once we decide that we are able to let go of the disease, then we'll release. Similarly, you decided at any cost I need to attend the session. So that belief reached the subconscious mind, and accordingly things have changed, and you were able to attend the session.
And you said earlier, I took responsibility for myself to be
Sir,
able
I
to
have a
attend the
query,
session.
please.
Yes, sir, please continue. Dilip, sir, please continue.
No, I'm saying that I took the responsibility, as you had suggested, to
Hmm.
ensure that I would attend the session because I believed that I would be able to learn something and become better as a human being.
Thank you very much for your dedication. It's really great to see. Somebody
So I
else?
have a query.
Yes,
So I
madam,
have a
please.
query. I have, I have got my eyes tested, which shows that my optic nerve is all right, but then there is a pressure in the eye is higher.
Hmm,
So
okay.
doing Ho'oponopono, will that help me?
Yes, you can talk to the eyes gently by touching the eyes. Thank you, I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, I love you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you.
anything when you are doing this, if you find anything which you don't want to see in your life, you just work on that and let go of that, any kind of hatred or limitation you have. Whatever you don't want to see in your life that is causing the difficulty in the eyes, the eyesight. You
Okay.
just try to work out that and let go of those things by forgiving yourself and forgiving the people and situation involved in that.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Hello.
Yes, sir, please, Sanjay.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes, please.
With your due permission. So the thing is that many a times we do want to release many blocks, or we know that this is a block we want to release.
Yes.
And when we consciously think about it and we say that we want to release, but many a times after a few days we find out of fear or out of the external circumstances, they again come back, and then again we become fearful, and again we start thinking on the not so perfect things. How do we do that again and again? Like suppose it's a money block, we have to pay somebody something, and many a time we say now we want to release and we'll be paying it, but
Yes.
the circumstances or other things come in between, and then they delay it, or either circumstances stop it. How do we overcome that again and again? I hope I could
Have
express
you,
myself.
did you watch the movie? Movie name Bill Murray is the actor. It is one of the most popular movie. Groundhog Day.
No, sir. No.
Groundhog Day. Annie, did you watch that movie? Groundhog Day? Yes. You just watch that movie and you see that how the things are happening. You will come to realize what is the life, how because so long in the movie it is clearly shown how the life of a person takes place. Someone is finding some breakthrough or change at the age of 40 or at the age of 50. Until then, that person lived a normal life. And all of a sudden, that person start creating some great things. The life has changed like anything like that. As long as those memories are there, we need to work on those things. Until then, as long as we are experiencing the pain or the difficulty or the sadness of the issues, situations or the difficulties or the health or pain we are going through, till then it is quite difficult to believe that I will be able to overcome these things. I will be able to let go of these things. I can change my life. I can live life like never before. It is quite difficult. So many times, even if you think for a while and after again, if you go through some kind of pain or difficulty or situation, it touch upon your confidence level. So in that movie, what happened is in the Groundhog Day, the hero, the Bill Murray, is a reporter. He has been to one place where the Groundhog Day is celebrated and has gone to bed. And next morning, when he woke up again the same day, which was spent yesterday. And the same Groundhog celebration, same thing, same incidents happened in that day, continued. He gone to bed next day, again the same day. For such a long period, it continued like that. He could not tolerate his life. Every day, the same day is repeating. He was not able to digest it. He was not able to handle and take care of himself. And whenever he is saying others these things, this I lived this day, yesterday, after several times, nobody is able to believe. People think that you're thinking you're becoming mad or something like that. And in that process, once he jumped from the top of the building, the tallest building, committed suicide. Still, the next day he woke up, and the same day. Once he entered the fire, jumped into the fire, so that he will end up this horrible day. But the very next day, he woke
Sir,
up
is it a
on the
Telugu
same day.
movie?
English movie, The Groundhog Day. Like this, he has done so many things. Once he has done, he was driving relentlessly and he met with accident and hit the police vehicles and all. So that police will be arrested and will be kept in the cell. Same thing has happened, police are arrested. Still again, the next morning, he woke up in the same hotel, the same day continued. And one final day, when he woke up, it was a different day. He could not believe himself. It was such a wonderful experience. Even when you watch the movie itself, you can feel the difference how he is experiencing. Likewise, as long as we are holding on to those memories, we think that the life is same. I cannot change my life. I cannot let go of these things. These are just thought patterns. Just change your pattern. Work on yourself. Whatever the thought, whatever the emotion, the situation, feeling is disturbing you, just work on that and try to let go of the memories. To make it easy, you just ask yourself, what is going on in me that is making me to experience these? What is going on in me that is making me to experience these money blocks? What is there in me that is causing these financial issues? What are the memories are there in me which are creating these money blocks or financial issues? Just ask yourself, start cleaning, and you see that your whole life gets changed.
So
2
may
years
I
back.
ask, add on to this? I'm sorry.
Yes, madam. Yes, please.
So what you were talking, just discussing right now and explaining us that we need to let go and so I, in a very similar situation I am right now. So I let go, I try my best, but somehow 2 3 days it's okay, but somehow something happens and then again I'm back to square one. So it, how to come out of it? So it becomes very difficult.
Yes, I agree with you. I'll give for this, instead of giving explanation, I'll give one example, live example, so that it will be easy for you to understand. Before starting your question, I just told 2 years back. I wanted to say the same thing, the experience, explain the experience. And in between you ask the question, and for this the same experience is the answer for this question. Around 2 years back, I was thinking of ending my life. Nothing worked. Everything gone crazy. Finance, health, relations, everything. I was not able to cope up the things. It was so horrible. I didn't have any kind of confidence and a little bit of confidence, so that I will be able to sort out these issues and I will be back to normal life. And for last 8 to 10 years, it was quite difficult life. And finally, it reached a certain point. I wanted to give up. Nothing worked out. Then at that point, I came to know about Ho'oponopono. Then I started working on myself. In Ho'oponopono, first what I learned is 4-phrase prayer. Wherever I searched, it's only 4-phrase prayer. When you go to music or the Google search, YouTube, wherever I search, it is only 4-phrase prayer. I tried repeating 4-phrase prayer, but I could not. I was not aware whom to address, how to say, how long it has to be said, whether to be said in the daytime or it has to be said like sitting in a meditative meditation position like that. And after I keep on searching on that, because I wanted relief. And then I came to know about few books. And after reading those books and few other things, procedures, I came to know about the procedures and understood the basic, the root cause of the problem. The root cause of the problem is nothing out there. Nothing out there. Everything, whatever I am experiencing, it's only in me in the form of subconscious memories. I just started working on myself, forgiving myself and others, talking to my own inner child, releasing the memories, and using the different tools and procedures every day. And whenever I was practicing, the tears were flowing like anything. I never had that much tears in my life when I had the initial 2 to 3 months of practicing of Ho'oponopono. And after 3 to 4 months of practice, I could find peace. For up to 3 to 4 months, I was thinking the same. Why things are not changing? Even after doing so much prayers and meditations practice, why my life is becoming worse. And after 3 to 4 months of practice, I could see the things are changing within me and outside. Sometimes it takes time. For few to find a couple of weeks, couple of months, for few it may take couple of years. It depends on how much you clean, how much you're focusing on. And whatever the things you need to take care of outside, your responsibilities, finances, all the things and these things, you take care of those things. And whatever the heaviness you're experiencing outside, for that you ask yourself, what is going on in me that I'm experiencing difficulty in such and such a place, experience with the difficulty with my place, difficulty with finances. What is going on in me that is causing the difficulty with my health, like this. and clean yourself. First, you need to forgive yourself for all the misconceptions you have, and you need to forgive each and every person. As long as you are holding on to any kind of hatred, it is stored in the body, subconscious, and causing one or the other kind of the diseases, illnesses, especially when it comes to psychological health issues. Most of the time, it is 99% of the psychological health issues because of not forgiving the self and the other persons, others. Even though person is going through severe depression, anxiety, if the person is able to forgive himself or herself and forgive others, person will be free from the psychological illness. When there is any kind of psychological emotions, thought, feelings, emotions which are hurting psychologically, those emotions are replaying as the physical ailments in the body. It is true that when I started practicing Ho'oponopono, I didn't have any hope. I wanted to give up life and I was thinking of ending my life. At that time, Ho'oponopono saved my life. It is not only saved me my life, now it has given me enough confidence that nothing can touch me as long as I am surrendering to the divine within me. Nothing can touch me, whatever may be the power from outside. Nothing can touch me because it is not my physical brain ego. It is giving this confidence. It is the connection with the divine within me. Many times when we say the divine divinity, we think that the divine form in the temple, church, or the mosque, or somewhere else, the sky or heaven. As long as we believe that divinity is outside somewhere there, we cannot have intimate relationship with the divine, the connection, the belief, the faith with the divine divinity. We need to see the divine divinity within ourselves. We are the soul. Soul is an extension of the divinity. It is not different from the divine or the God or divinity. As long as you are connected to your soul, the divine extension, you need not to be afraid of anything. No power in this universe can touch you as long as you are surrendering to the divine. You are in connection with the divine. Because each and everything is in the hands of the divine. We are just a puppet in the hands of the divine. Please have faith in yourself, and faith in the creator who has created you, and see that your whole life is getting changed. Is it clear, madam?
Yes, very much. Thank
Yeah.
you so much, sir.
Most welcome.
I know many others are also waiting. I will come back to you again. There are two more questions and one sharing I need to do. But let me give chance to others who are waiting.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
In the chat, it seems there are a few questions. Let me see. Thanks for the session. How do we do forgiveness on behalf of our family members? Recently, around a couple of weeks before, we have done excellent forgiveness meditation to forgive yourself and others. Whether it is behalf of you or the family members, it includes each and everything. I'll share the recording link. You can follow the forgiveness meditation to forgive yourself and others. And the forgiveness is the key to freedom, complete freedom from the past. Thank you very much for the another energetic session. You're most welcome. Thank you for today's session, please. Glad I was on time today. Really great. Thanks for the session. How do we do? Okay, that is done. Thank you for so much for this session today, sir. Name of the movie Groundhog Day with Bill Murray. Thank you very much, Annie Charlambus, for mentioning the name Groundhog Day. I request all of you to watch the movie The Groundhog Day. Thank you for the session. I had a visitor in the mid of the session. I have a meeting at 8 p.m. Shall I leave? Sure. Thank you, Srinivas, for such a wonderful session and Ho'oponopono. Feeling easier. Feel more easier and more easier, more lighter, so that you can fly in the sky, free from all the problems, free from all the pain, sorrow, suffering. Let your life will be easy, joyful. Thanks to all of you. Thank you very much.
Excuse me, sir. Can I ask one question?
Yes, madam.
Sir, if for the eraser method you told, na,
Yeah.
if you have some relationship problem, you can just write the name and do that eraser method. That will be enough.
Yes, yes, yes.
How to
Just
do
by
that?
touching the, for example, if you are writing something, for example, if you want to forgive someone, you just write a name of the person here and touch with the eraser. Just write. No need to tap it like this. Just touch it or move the eraser like this as if you are rubbing, and say the 4-phrase prayer or this specific prayer which you have discussed. You keep saying the prayer till you feel light. You feel light in your mind.
Sir, we have to
In
write
that way.
our name also with that person's name. Or
No,
only
no,
the-
no, no.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, most welcome. Shall we close?
Yes, thank
Good
you.
night, sir.
Good night. Bye bye.
Thank you,
See
sir.
you.
Good night.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Good
so much,
night,
sir.
sir. Good night.
Sir,
Thank
can
you
I
with
take
gratitude, sir.
5 more minutes of yours, sir?
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome. Sorry, somebody is asking 5 minutes.
Yes, 5 minutes more, sir.
Yes, madam.
So, firstly, I would like to share something. It is that on my request, you had shared the link of a meditation with of inner child. And last week you had shared it, and I started it that very day, next in the morning. And so my first meditation, the first experience was after I had completed the meditation, I saw a small girl on the sofa crying.
Algar
So-
Landi.
On a sofa sitting,
Okay.
and as I went closer, she was crying.
She was crying. Okay.
So and after that, every morning I do it, but I'm not able to connect with the meditation as I did it on the first day.
See, that is okay. In the first day, the experience is quite different. Repeating is quite different. The inner child in you, the child, small girl which you have seen on the sofa, is not some other girl. Is not an unknown girl or not an alien which has come from heaven or some other planet. It is the same Smita Kurana. It is your own inner child, your own being. The inner child is your subconscious mind. What you are doing, it is you are doing with the conscious mind. Conscious mind is the mother part.
Yeah.
Inner child is the subconscious mind. Your own being, you are seeing the child. The child is crying because so far till now, you never bothered to acknowledge the presence of the inner child within you. Now, all of a sudden, you try to acknowledge the inner child. Oh, my dear beautiful girl, I love you. Thank you, I love you. All of a sudden, how the child starts developing faith and trust in you. It takes time. Child has started showing up in the first meditation. You continue doing, continue talking to the child, express your love and gratitude, ask its forgiveness in the daily meditation. And over a period of time, you see that the inner child is releasing all the stored data, program, memories, which are replaying as the outside problems in your life. Whatever the child is experiencing, all the pain, sorrow, suffering the child experiencing, the same thing is experienced as the outside problem in your life.
Right.
You don't need to do anything extra. You just keep continuing the same meditation. Everything will be fine.
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Yes.
And coming to my second question, sir,
Yes, madam.
it is like for as of today's session that we need to heal our body and how to do it. You just shown us the way. Sir, my father-in-law is not keeping well past 1.5 months, and we got him hospitalized yesterday. So I've tried to tell him to do this, to say the prayer that for a particular body part. He has a big problem with his ear, right ear. He has the shooting pain there. So I just tried to ask him, but he's not able to understand and he is not willing to do it also right now. So can I do something for him?
Yes. And whatever the sadness you're experiencing because of his physical health issues, you just work on your sadness. You just try to release your psychological pain which you're experiencing because of his health issues and his suffering, whatever the health issues you're going through, that is causing you some kind of psychological pain or the sadness. You just focus on that, your thoughts, your feelings, emotions, your pain, and you will see that the person will be fine.
If I understand correctly, you are asking me to release my pain and let go of my pain, thinking about his
Yes,
suffering.
yes, yes.
Yes.
You're 100% right.
Okay, sir. I'll take care of it.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Most
so
welcome.
very much.
Yes. Shall we take leave? Or would you like to continue?
Sir, we would like to continue with what you speak, sir. It's a never-ending session, sir. But thank you very much,
Okay.
sir, for the awesome session, sir. It's always wonderful being with you, sir.
Most welcome, Sanjay.
Thank you very
Thanks
much,
to all
sir.
of you
Thank
for
you.
your interest. Thank you. Especially thanks for Kavita, Sheetal, Smita, Annie, and Junior Vivekanand for keeping your videos on. So that because of keeping your videos on, I don't feel lonely. Sanjay, Seema. Okay, it looks like never ending. Bye bye. See you.
Bye-bye.
Tata.
Thank you, sir.
Good
Bye-bye,
night.
Tata. Good night.
Yeah.